Hello everyone, happy crafting Friday. Today I'm going to show you how I made this charcuterie tray for a 50th birthday party for individual cups. I already cut the number 5 and the 0 in my Cricut machine, and now I'm going to use it as a template to cut the cardboard. Very carefully I'm cutting the number using my utility knife. The other way you can do this is by purchasing a paper mache number and then cutting just the top part so you can convert it into a tray. I couldn't find it in the store on time, so that's why I decided to make my own. Now I'm going to add the borders. I already cut the strips of cardboard and I'm going to glue it with my hot glue all around. At the end, I'm going to dress the numbers with a contact paper that looks like marble to make it look prettier. Now I'm doing the same thing with the number 0, using the template to cut the cardboard. So I added already the contact paper. As you can see, it looks like marble. It makes it look a little bit more finished, of course, and prettier. And on the top, I'm adding these stickers that look like rhinestones. Using my finger protector for the hot glue so I don't burn myself. Now I'm finishing up the details for the 0, and then I'm done with my charcuterie tray for individual cups. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.